It's the task I dread most when changing the sheets, putting on a new duvet cover. The best way of doing this awkward chore is hotly contested, so we decided to actually test 4 different methods to settle the debate once and for all. We got 5 volunteers to test each method using a timer: the all-in, the inside-out, the ghost and the roll. And 2 methods came out on top, one for speed and one for ease. This is Household Hacks Tried and Tested. So the fastest method, by quite a way, is the inside out. This is how it works. So you're going to lay your duvet flat onto your bed, just like this, and then grab your duvet cover, make sure it's inside out. That's really important. And then you're going to put both arms inside to find the corners that are furthest away from you, so that your hands are in both corners. Then I am going to grab the 2 corners of the duvet that are closest to me, so I've got those in both hands, and then I'm just going to make it all go the right way, like this. And you might have to do a bit of going from end to end, just making sure that it is nice and neat. And then I will turn it around so that the opening is at the foot of the bed, and then just give it a nice zhuzh like that. While the inside out is the quickest, it is quite strenuous, but there is one unusual method which is less physically demanding, though it's hard to get your head around. This method is called the roll. For the roll method, it's really important that you turn your duvet cover inside out. Then you're just going to put it flat on your bed, try and make sure it's symmetrical and not wonky anywhere. You're going to get your duvet and lay it on top of the duvet cover. And with this method, it's really important that you try and align the corners and the edges as much as possible. So I'm going to do that on every side. Just make sure it's all lined up. Okay, then the strange bit of the method starts. So you're going to roll nice and neatly, quite tightly. Roll the duvet and duvet cover together. So roll it right to the end and keep rolling until it starts to kind of peek out now underneath. So now, this is the really strange bit. Put your arm in here, grab the duvet, feed it through so that it's the right way. I've put my hand into the cover like this, I've grabbed the duvet, and I'm flipping it so that the cover is like that. So now it looks like this. Now, you can start unrolling it. So at first, it looks like it's not going to work, but keep persevering. You'll start to see the duvet just magically unrolling itself. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this household hack. Click the link to sign up to our free weekly newsletter. It's packed with cleaning tricks, money-saving tips and product reviews. Check out the video below to find out the best ways to clean a shower screen, and for more content like this, subscribe to our channel.